So I have this Kohler 173cc lawnmower. Well, the issue is with the compression, because when you start the engine, somehow the compression is backing up towards the carburetor. Um, so let's see what's the issue, because it feels like compression. Either the issue is with the valves, they are too tight. It won't open correctly, and that's why somehow just leaking the compression. So let's figure out. Show you, if you look at this pin, it'll hold up with this thing straight, but if you look at here, this is all damaged and it doesn't hold the pin straight, and maybe I'm just missing one of the either compression or whatever it is, but it's so loose that it doesn't work, and that's why it's just probably backing up the compression towards the carburetor, because there's no movement in one of the valves to exit the compression, whatever it is. I'm not you actually. I'm just trying to understand actually, because I got the mechanic to fix it. I paid him $100. He couldn't fix it, so I thought might as well I can do it myself. So that's where I am. So I'll just go ahead and look for the part that I can replace in this whole thing, and then see what happens. I changed the bad parts. The guide plate is in, the pin is in, and this is inlet, this is compression stroke, so you have to adjust the rocker arms. So for the inlet, this thing has to be all the way out, and then you leave a little bit space in order to adjust the rocker arm. But you can also use the feeler gauge, but if you don't have it, you can just get the feeling of yourself. Make sure it's not too tight, neither it's too loose, and then you can use these nuts in order to adjust it. So you do the same thing with the compression stroke. With that, you have to have all the way out by just moving this crank. So you just make sure it is out. Once it is out, then you can adjust the rocker arm with these two nuts on top. The one which is behind all the way in, this one will basically will let you to adjust it, and then you tight the top one against each other, and that's how you do it. So make sure this is all rightly adjusted. Once it's all done, that part of the job is all done, and then we'll just put everything back. I also ordered the new filter, and I got the new filter as well, because the previous filter, if you look at this, because the compression stroke was coming back towards the carburetor, and then it was exhausting power through this filter, so that's why you see it's all black actually. So I got the new filter. I just wanted to put it in and then go from there. And I'm excited that I've been working to fix this lawnmower for quite some time, because some delay of getting the parts, but finally today I was able to start the engine. Just wanted to recap, the issue was with the compression stroke, because there was bended guide plate, which was not pushing the valve, and the compression stroke was backing up towards the carburetor and then coming out of the air filter. And what I did, I ordered parts from Kohler. They have the distributor here, and they sent me the genuine parts. So I replaced the pin. You can see it was all damaged, and also I replaced the guide pin as well. The guide plate. And now, because with the new one, it was guiding the pin towards the right position. And when I replaced, I also adjust the rocker arms, and that was pretty much it. And just put everything back, and with the 2 or 3 tries, really start the engine. And I'm so happy with the amount of effort and the time I spent. It's just paid off, and I'm excited today. So wanted to share with you guys, if you do have similar problems, you can definitely follow the steps, and you can always ask question, and maybe I can help to answer your questions as well. So bye for now. Thank you. Take care.